Which mountain bike helmet with a camera mount is actually worth it? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Luffaloo Motorcycle Helmet Mount. First up, we have the Luffaloo Motorcycle Helmet Chin Strap Mount. Priced at just $17.70, this simple yet effective mount caught my attention for its durability and ease of use. If you want a reliable way to capture your biking adventures, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The durable material made of premium plastic and silicone means you can use it repeatedly without worrying about wear and tear. This mount fits securely on your helmet chin, so you can focus on your ride while capturing all the action. The J-hook design allows for easy installation and removal, so switching out cameras is a breeze. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of action cameras, including GoPro and Xiaomi, making it a versatile option for any rider. Now, some people complained about the fit not being ideal for helmets with a long chin. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard helmet, this mount holds up strong and doesn't wobble, which is exactly what you need in those thrilling moments. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable mounting solution that's easy to use and reliable. Skip this one if your helmet has an unusually long chin, as it may not fit securely. For $17.70, you're getting great value for a camera mount. Now, if the Luffaloo's fit issue made you hesitate, the next one takes a completely different approach with its adhesive mounts. Product number 2, HSU Adhesive Mounts. Next up is the HSU adhesive mounts, priced at just $11.37. What caught my eye here is the versatility. These mounts are compatible with all GoPro and action cameras. If you want a flexible mounting solution, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The HSU mounts come with both flat and curved options, perfect for attaching to helmets or even your ski board. The strength of the 3M adhesive means you won't have to worry about your camera coming loose mid-ride, which is crucial when you're going fast. With over 50 units sold just last month, it's clear that many riders are trusting this product for their adventures. Now, some users reported that removing the mounts later can be tricky. Here's the thing though, if you apply a little heat from a hair dryer, they come off cleanly without leaving a mess. So while it may take a bit of effort, it's completely manageable. This is perfect for you if you love trying different configurations for your action shots or if you want a low-profile solution. Skip this one if you prefer a dedicated helmet mount, since this is more about versatility. At $11.37, it's a steal for the options you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a full helmet experience. Product number 3, Mongoose Capture Bike Helmet. Lastly, we have the Mongoose Capture Bike Helmet, priced at $58.18. This helmet stands out with its built-in camera mount designed specifically for cyclists. If you're looking for a helmet that does more than just protect, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The built-in camera mount allows for easy recording of your rides without the hassle of additional equipment. With 15 air vents, it keeps your head cool during those intense climbs, and the adjustable fit ensures comfort on longer rides. It complies with safety standards, meaning you don't have to compromise safety for functionality. This helmet is also compatible with most GoPro cameras, making it a perfect fit for action enthusiasts. Now, some people might find the price a bit steep compared to basic mounts. But here's the thing, you're not just getting a mount. You're getting a high-quality helmet with full safety features and ventilation. It's an all-in-one solution that can save you money in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're serious about cycling and want a helmet that combines both safety and the ability to capture your adventures. Skip this one if you're just looking for a simple camera mount without investing in a helmet. For $58.18, you're paying for safety and functionality in one package. So there you have it. The Luffaloo mount is great for budget-conscious riders looking for reliability. The HSU mounts provide versatility for those who want flexibility in their camera setup. And the Mongoose Capture helmet integrates safety and function beautifully. Each option has its strengths depending on your needs, so choose wisely based on how you like to ride.